Hello guys, welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you step-by-step procedure on how to shake your Blum airdrop. I will be explaining how to understand your Blum airdrop, what you need to know before you can claim your Blum airdrop. Okay guys, when you launch your Blum mining bot, this dashboard will appear. Okay, you will see launch, friends, trading bot. Under it, there is a dashboard that is scrolling. You have to scroll through the dashboard like I'm doing now. Okay, I have to scroll to the first one. Okay, this is the place. This is where you can check your Blum airdrop allocation. You click on check my tokens. Blum airdrop checkers live now. You click on check my tokens. Okay, now you are going to see your Blum airdrop. You're going to see your Blum airdrop. On TGE day, you'll be able to claim 10.5 Blum tokens. Okay, and under it you see the total allocation of Blum airdrop that you receive. For me, I received 35 Blum. Okay, and I'll be able to claim 30% of the 35 Blum on TGE day, which is this month. There is no specified day yet. Okay, on the TGE day, I'll be able to claim 10.5 Blum, which is 30% of the airdrop allocation I receive. Then under it you see daily reward, maximum reward, and earning period. Okay, I'm going to explain this. Every day they are going to unlock 0.13 Blum for me, and after 6 months I'll be able to claim 35 Blum if I do not claim on the listing day. But if I claim on the listing day, I will only be able to claim 10.5 Blum, and the remaining one will be born automatically. Okay, now I think why they do this is to limit sell pressure. Switch Pocket Fi did a similar thing, whereby if you claim your token at any point before it unlock 100%, the remaining balance will be locked for 3 months. That being said, I think Switch, which is Pocket Fi, is more considerate in their approach compared to Bloom. Despite Bloom giving low airdrop allocation, like average miner only receive about 30 35 Bloom, and some up to 100 Bloom, but they reward their ambassadors handsomely. Okay, personally for me, I don't know how you want to approach Bloom airdrop. I didn't have high hope on Bloom. If peradventure they list above $1 or $0.5, I'm going to claim this 10.5 Bloom, because I can't wait for them for the 180 days when I have an insignificant airdrop allocation. I'm going to claim this 10.5 Bloom or whatsoever, because it's going to dump after listing, and I don't want to be waiting for nothing. Okay, now for the, I know most of you will be asking, when can you claim? There is no official date for claiming or TGE yet. Okay, when it's available, it will be at the bottom of your screen here, and you'll be able to claim. And they said how claim works. Okay, let me just click on it. Claim start on TGE day. You can claim instantly 30% and more every day. This is what I just explained now. Okay, this is exactly what I just explained now. Once claiming is live, you'll be able to click on claim at the bottom of your screen, and be able to claim. It's likely to be on chain, just like we claim Switch on chain, but the fee will be insignificant as well. Okay, so guys, if you participated in a Bloom airdrop, make sure you understand this, so that you not claim 30% on the listing day, and after some days you'll be expecting to claim another airdrop again. Once you claim on or before the 6 months elapses, you forfeit any remaining tokens. Okay, So you need to understand this before you start to claim. Okay, guys, this is all about Bloom Airdrop Allocation Checker and Bloom Airdrop mechanism. I just explained it. And Bloom TGE listing date is not yet official announced. Okay, once it's announced, you guys will be informed as well. Okay, guys, this is it for now. Please, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video to help others understand the mechanism behind Bloom Airdrop. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.